If you're looking for something to whiten you, like whiten you, then you need to work more with this. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, depending on where you're watching me from. You're welcome to my channel. Thanks for all that watched my video, my last video, my first video actually. I'm very glad, and I hope you guys will keep coming back to watch me. I'm very grateful. Welcome, it's Ijoma here, and if it's the first time coming across my video, I am Ijoma Ume. I'm from Anambra State. I'm a YouTuber, and I'm here to make a review on a particular trending lotion, and I'm here to give my honest review. This lotion trended last year, and it was on the top chart of everyone, and everyone was making series of reviews about this lotion, and I actually got this lotions, and it has 3 or 4 varieties, so I had to get it out of all the reviews, and then also let me try it out and see if it's gonna be fine on me and nice. So I tried it out, and it's none other than ta-da! Active Caviar Drip Lotion. So I got this lotion, that was April 2023 last year. So I started out with the black Active Caviar Drip Lotion. It's finished. It's an empty container, so I got it and I started using it. It's actually a good moisturizing lotion. Actually, it's nice, and the fragrance is nice, very nice, and it's really nice. Like, it moisturizes deeply, very well. So but then I came to crack something. Yeah, let's read first what the manufacturer says it does on it. Active Caviar Drip Lotion, alpha arbutin and plus licorice, strong whitening lotion. Arbutin even out and brightens skin tone, lighten dark areas, and can help with appearance of scars. Licorice remove excess melanin, brightens the skin in another way. It contains licorice and active compounds that helps remove existing melanin in the skin, and it has pH of 5.5, and the active ingredient in this particular black one is arbutin plus licorice. So that's what the manufacturer promises this lotion delivers, and I got it, and actually it was nice. Like, the fragrance is on the 100. It was nice. It moisturizes very well. It's a good moisturizing lotion. Then it whitens actually, and the main reason for making this actual content today is because this lotion has 3 variants. The one I'm familiar with, they said it's 4, but I'm familiar with just 3. So I used this black and the gold. This gold, I still have little inside actually. So it has this black, the gold, and the turmeric, the orange one. I'll put the picture on the screen for you guys to see it. So this black is actually, my honest review is, this black whitens the more, and it does a good job on the skin. It does a really nice job on the skin. You're taking my light. So it does a good job on the skin, and it deeply moisturizes. It whitens the skin very well, very well, very well, really good. And I had a flawless skin actually, but I combined it with a soap. I'll make the review of the soap that took my skin from level 1 to 20 on my next video. Do well to watch that video. So my honest review is, this lotion does not really whiten as they hype it to be. That is the truth about this lotion. It doesn't whiten so well, but at least if you could finish the container, it could give you 1 to 2 shade like that. But if you wanted to give you a good this thing, you have to use it with the serum. That is the honest review about it. Because when I used it, I was expecting maybe because it's a new lotion, I would get to start seeing the effect from maybe a month and two. I used up to a month and two, but my skin was still very normal. No, I didn't see much. I didn't get much from it actually. I added a serum to it, that is pimentos. I added a little of it into it, and so I started noticing that the lotion had to pick up again, and the finishing, like when I finished it, it was really nice on me. So I checked other reviews on YouTube, so I decided to change since this didn't really give me what I want to get. So I went to get this. I tried it out. I got it with the serum. I combined this with the serum, with the turmeric. This is the turmeric. That is the third version of this. This is the turmeric. I don't know if you guys could see this. So I got this with this. I combined these two together. So at the end of the day, I noticed that I'm still using it. So I used it up to like how many months. Then that's when I discovered that this is more active than this. Then the turmeric is more, that one is for people that just want to maintain their complexion. Then if you just want a maintenance, something that wouldn't lighten you much, you get this. Then if you want that on the whitening, you get this. This is actually more active. Don't listen to anything they tell you. But then this will give you only just 1 or 2 shades. That is the truth about this. It doesn't really, unless you have a very soft skin. That me, I have a very tough skin actually, so I wouldn't judge my skin, because whatever works for me would do better on another person, because I have a very tough skin and things really takes time to work on me and stuff like that, you get. So this gave me just 2 shades until I added a serum into it. Then this, it was nice. I had to give some part of it to somebody, and it was giving her a flawless complexion. It was nice on her. But me particularly, this doesn't really work for me, but this did a good job. Then this is more moisturizing than this. That is the truth. Then I had the turmeric plus vitamin C or something is also moisturizing. So but this is more active than this. That is the truth. Please subscribe, share and like my video and help me grow. If you're still watching my video up to this very moment, please, I beg you in the name of God, I won't continue until you like this video. Have you done that? Thank you. Okay, let's continue right now. So my conclusion is, don't expect too much from Active Caviar Lotion. Don't expect too much from it, but it's actually a nice lotion. It's more of a maintenance lotion. If you're looking for something to whiten you, then you need to work more with this. When you're getting this, you get the lotion, the serum with it. It has a serum. You add the serum into it. With that, you achieve a faster result with it. Than this works faster and nicer and better than this. Ignore the bleaching they wrote on it. This does not really super bleach anything. I said it, quote me anywhere. This, ignore the bleaching on it. This is more active. Yeah, this is just a strong whitening lotion and this is more active. So when you're getting it, have in mind that this black, when you want a lotion that will give you 2-3 shades lighter, get this. When you want just one, get this. Then if you want to just maintain your complexion or your caramel skin tone, please get the turmeric. I would insert the picture on this side of the video or this side of the video. Don't worry. So then if you want to upgrade the effect, like you want this to give you up to like 4-5 shades like that, you get the serum. It has a serum, you combine it with it. This is not serum, this is serum for the turmeric one. I would insert the picture by the side. You combine this together with the serum, not the serum, the black serum. You combine it and get a good scrub and a good soap. I'm going to make a review about a particular nice soap, like a nice bar soap, nice soap that works, that does the job. This is not capping, this is not hyping. I'm going to do it. Just watch my next video, you would see it over there. So then also this, you can also get the, when you want this to give you up to 2-3 shades, just get the serum with it and mix it into it. When you get a container, you divide, you pour half of it, then pour half of the serum into the other half, then use. Then when you're done with that, you pour the remaining part, the remaining half of the serum into the remaining part, then use it. So then a good face cream. It has a face cream, but I would advise you can get other face cream. Please don't use this on your face. Don't use this lotion on your face, please. I beg in the name of God. Then when you're going out, make sure you are using sunscreen. If you're using it during the day, you can use it though both night and day. If you're a dark person, please don't go near this lotion. You can start off with the turmeric and the vitamin C. That would help. Then gradually you go this, so that you wouldn't, this does not give dark knuckles. Actually, it doesn't give any dark knuckles, it doesn't give any reaction. It's a nice maintenance lotion. Sorry, it's a nice maintenance lotion. It doesn't give all those, it doesn't give stretch mark, it doesn't give green veins, it doesn't give white patches, it doesn't give any sort of reaction on the skin. Though if your skin is I don't know, damaged, or please, if you're a dark person, don't go near these two lotion, this black and the gold. But you can still near the third one, the turmeric and vitamin C. Don't expect excess work. It's not an osha pra lotion. It's not osha pra, but it gives, with consistent usage, it will give you like 2 to 3 shades like that. This will give you 1 to 2 shades. But if you want it to give you a nice result, combine it with the serum. It has a serum. Likewise, turmeric, it has a serum, which I've shown you the picture before. I have it here, but it's falling off. Sorry, don't tell anyone. Oh, good. So then, if you know your skin is sensitive to, you easily react to things, please get anti-reaction serum or tube and add to this lotion. But this does not give any sort of reaction. It doesn't give green veins, also anything, stretch mark. It doesn't. In fact, it will even, it helps in reducing the appearance of stretch mark on the body, unless you go and pour nonsense inside. Just say I told you that it does not give reaction. But if you go, they add nonsense thing inside, if it give you reaction. But if you're using this only, my dear, nothing is going to trespass. Nothing is going to happen to your skin. I said it. So I think that will be all. Please try and watch my next video. I'll be making a review on a particular nice soap that it's giving. That soap is giving. It's giving. It's the bomb, actually. So thanks for watching my videos. Please, I beg in the name of God, help me grow. Help me to like my videos, subscribe to my channel, share my videos to your family and loved ones, those people you know that might be interested in this topic. Please. Okay, see you guys later. See you guys in my next video. Please do well, watch my next video. I'll be dropping a video maybe next week. Yeah, see you guys later. Bye.